Here's the Infiniti QX60. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front doors. So let's start with the rear left door. Once you open the door, right over there is a switch. Push it inwards to activate the feature, and that's it. Now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, if I get on the inside and I close the door, no matter what I do, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I cannot open the door. So how am I gonna get out? I'm gonna slide over there, open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. Now let's go ahead and open this left side door from outside. Push the switch outwards to deactivate the feature. And now I can open it from outside as normal. And on the inside, when I close the door in the lock position, cannot open. Unlock position, I can open. And that's good. Let's repeat the process for the right side door. Open the door, exact same process. Push the switch inside to activate the feature. I can still open it from outside. And on the inside, no matter what I do, I will not be able to open the door. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. I'm going to slide over there and open that door. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors because you don't want the child to slide onto the other side, open the other door and get out and cause any issues. So open this door, open the right side door from outside, push the switch outwards to deactivate the feature, and now I can still open it from outside as normal. And on the inside, the lock position, I cannot open. Unlock, I can open, and that's good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.